Did you know a single airline collapsing could cost you hundreds? Let's break down this Spirit Airlines shutdown.
If you booked a cheap flight recently, your vacation funds might actually be in serious danger.
Here's the terrifying reality. By May 1st, 2026, Spirit Airlines is gearing up to permanently shut down.
Blocked mergers, back-to-back bankruptcies. This wasn't sudden, you guys. Spirit just completely ran out of runway.
The fatal blow? Jet fuel prices spiked to $4.60 due to overseas conflict.
That 70% fuel hike literally destroyed their razor-thin margins, creating a massive 20% loss.
Out of cash, they almost got a wild $500 million lifeline from the Trump administration.
The catch? The government wanted a whopping 90% ownership stake in the airline for that loan. They actually tried using the Defense Production Act, a 1950s wartime law. Talk about major legal controversy.
The president wanted to save jobs, but bondholders flat out refused the terms, instantly killing the rescue deal.
Now, why does this wreck your wallet? Well, Spirit forced bigger airlines to keep ticket prices low.
Without them, competitors like Frontier and JetBlue are surging. Say goodbye to those dirt-cheap cross-country flights.
So how do we protect our hard-earned cash right now if we already bought tickets?
Step 1. Call your credit card company today. Demand a failure of service chargeback immediately.
Next, download every confirmation number you have. When airlines liquidate, their apps usually just vanish offline.
Got free Spirit miles? Spend them right this second because they're about to be completely worthless.
And definitely book backup flights on competitors. Now, before the panic hits and prices absolutely explode. Bottom line, Spirit is done, the bailout failed, and airfare is climbing fast. You gotta act now.
It really makes you wonder, is the golden age of ultra-cheap American travel gone for good?